Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing a cute unicorn horse. Let's draw it. This is a black marker. This is a black marker. Now we will draw a cute unicorn horse. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. That's reason why always drawing and painting slowly. Follow step by step how I am drawing. If you follow the steps, then you are also able to draw. This is the hair of cute unicorn horse. Now we will draw the cute eyes and the nose. Let's learn the colors name. This is our colors. This is brown color, orange color, light yellow color, green color, dark pink color, cyan color, yellow color, purple color. Let's paint the cute unicorn horse. This is cyan color. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Follow these steps how I am drawing and painting. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Cute unicorn horse. Today we are drawing cute unicorn horse. This is the unicorn horse nose, which is brown color. Now we will paint his hair. This is purple color. Now we are applying the dark pink color. After that, we are apply the yellow color. And now we are applying the green color, the colorful rainbow hair. Now we are apply the orange color. Yay! And at last we are apply the light yellow color for his fin. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.